Alright. If you want to get the filming. It's fun to work on? Yeah. How long have you been working on this site?
This is just for one year.
Yes, a couple of weeks. So essentially, water at the site.
Pictures on this and stuff? Yeah, no, totally. I know. You guys got to check the weather report.
Try to get out of here.
It's pretty fast. All right. I gotta wait. There we go. Lower Manhattan protected. All right. Not right now. Now it's wide open. Go for it, Storm. All right. Thanks, guys, so much.
Ready for the
This is
next
awesome. Yes. Yeah. I know, right? Woo.